Welcome to Thousand Islands Toyota, located in Brockville on 555 Stewart Boulevard. Today I'm going to show you our newly redesigned 2019 Toyota Rav4. This is the LE all-wheel drive. It's the base model. It's in the super white exterior and it has the gray cloth interior. It's a 5-passenger, 4-door, small size SUV. Let's take a look inside. It has power windows with auto down on the driver's side, power locks, power adjustable mirrors. Driver and passenger seat are manual adjustable. The interior lights for the dash, auto high beams, which is part of Toyota Safety Sense 2.0, standard on the Rav4s. It's windshield wiper deicer. There's your gas and hood release. Steering wheel is tilt and telescopic adjustable. You have steering wheel Bluetooth and audio controls. You have cruise controls. Also part of Toyota Safety Sense is dynamic rider cruise control, pre-collision system with pedestrian and bicycle detection, lane departure alert with steering assist and lane tracing assist. Those are the shortcut buttons to the 4.2-inch multi-information display screen. You get a digital speedometer, distance empty on the gas tank, your fuel economy, eco indicator, dynamic rider cruise control, your all-wheel drive, trip info, settings and sensitivity for the lane tracing assist, pre-collision system, blind spot monitor with the rear cross traffic alert. Has a 7-inch touchscreen display with a 6-speaker audio system that now works with Apple CarPlay. You can customize your home screen. And this is where your backup camera is. You have different views, and you have the different lines as well. Climate control settings, including air conditioning, rear defrost with timer, heated mirrors, traction control, high and low settings for the heated front seats, and below the dash, USB and auxiliary port, 12-volt accessory outlet. Has an 8-speed automatic transmission with the manual mode. Your parking brake, brake hold. That button will allow you to take your foot off the brake whenever you're stopped at a stoplight. So you get the 3 different drive modes. There's Eco, Normal, and Sport. And then with the all-wheel drive vehicles, these are standard. So you can get snow, mud and sand, rock and dirt. You have dual cup holders, good size glove box, review mirror, overhead sunglass storage, and your interior lights. 17-inch alloy wheels with wheel locks. Those are standard on the all-wheel drive vehicles. You have the keyless entry, an 8.3 liters per 100 kilometers for your combined fuel economy rating. He has a dual exhaust. There's your backup camera. 2 sets of mats, one for the summer, one for the winter. You get cargo tie downs. Back seat is a 60-40 split if you need more room. There's power windows, cup holders in the doors, a pocket on the back of the passenger seat. You have side curtain airbags, a total of 8 airbags, anchor points for the child car seats, and then the center seat armrest with dual cup holders. The exterior mirrors are heated, power adjustable with the signal integrated lamps. You have an auto LED headlight system with LED daytime running lights. It has the new dynamic force engine. It's 2.5 liters, 4 cylinders. And it has a horsepower of 203. Come see our lineup of our new 2019 Toyota Rav4s at Thousand Islands Toyota in Brockville.